Welcome to exhibition program.
Sitting in the basement apartment, I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with
My model name is Red Gill. The wind pushes the blades of the wind, making them spin. They have large blades of wind. They have large blades that spins when the wind blows. They are repeatedly because they do not pollute the air or harm nature. Mechanical energy is converted into electric energy. Morning, sir. My name is Rahul. I am studying in standard. My topic is we get deeper like slip, short turban, backward point, covers, extra covers, mid on, wickets, short leg, short fight leg, backward square leg, wicket, etc. The fielding positions are stated for the right hand batsman, long on, corner, deep mid wicket, deep square leg, long leg, deep point leg, long stop, third man, deep backward point, deep covers, deep extra covers, long off, etc. My name is Karthi. I am studying in Adam with the my topic is the nature of nature. Nature is our environment that has air, water, and food to survive. We must protect forest, nature, and others. Example: preserve water, save nature, use dustbin, stop pollution, do not use atomic bomb, save animals, grow trees, stop vector pollution, and etc. My name is Madhu. I am from Tamil, and my topic is geometry. The geometry is list of multiples, which are these numbers which are common among the multiples. Here I am having some numbers which independent answers. They are called as eco-friendly. The multiples of 7 and 14 are 7 versus 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 to the 8. The multiples of 14 are 1 to the 14, 14 to the 18. The more ones are 20 that 20. Which is the least of the 10 is 20. So the LCM of 7 and 14 are 20. Next, LCM is highest common factors which are formed which divide both the given numbers completely. Again we get the numbers as 4, 8 and 12. 4 can be divided in 1 table, 2 tables, 40 tables. 8 can be divided in 1 table, 2 tables, and 4 tables. 1 can be divided in 1 table, 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables, 6 tables, and 12 tables. The more ones are there is 4 and 2 is one which is at the highest level. Then is 1. Cool. So, the history of 481 as per. Thank you, sir.
Could you explain that?
Good morning, sir. I'm Mohammed Al Club. My topic is consumer culture. Consumer culture is lifestyle that centers around the consumption of goods and services. Advertising plays a very important role in consumer culture as it provides an idea of healthy and special living life. The aspects of Indian economy are they provide
सुप्रसाद, मेरा नाम मंजुनाथ है। मैं 9वीं क्लास से पढ़ रहा हूँ। मेरा विषय है सोलर एनर्जी। सोलर एनर्जी आजकल सोलर एनर्जी से करंट की बचत होता है और आंध्र प्रदेश में सोलर एनर्जी यूज होता है। थैंक यू सर।
Good morning, sir. Myself, Nirana. From class 8, today I'll say about mathematical problems. Different way of finding time using mathematical operation. Can you guess what is the time?
No.
No, that is not. I set the time. Hello, listen.
Yes.
8 ones are, sorry, 6 ones are, 6 11s are. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Here, root square of 4 is equal to 2. So, 225. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Myself, Sally from class 8. Today I will say about global warming. The overall temperature that utilize the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The layer of atmosphere with greenhouse gas, water sea level. The water sea level low leading cause of drought. They can lost their properties and life. Thank you, sir. Our class 9, my topic is the Center of Indian Economics. Climate change is characteristic. Thus, are the main important sectors of economics. These sectors are independent and produce goods and services, and it has value to national income. Some information about these sectors. Primary sectors, climate change includes like forestry, fishing, mining, animal husbandry. Secondary sectors involves like manufacture, construction, and the transporting raw materials, and other very light and heavy industries. Category sectors, category sectors involves like healthcare, entertainment, education, construction, manufacturing, and transport. Thank you, ma'am. My name is Morning, sir. My name is Lana from class 9. My model is about job transaction. The author of this example is Sprinkle Hills. He speaks about the frequency indicator. How will this use from sky? How selection was set up, and why people will each other. In this lecture, the student goes says the land of Earth is not well planned. So the people of this Earth are selfishness, jealous, and narrow-minded. They have to keep this, and if we really have to life, then it will be Earth is there to amazing things. Good morning, sir. I am studying in class 10, and my model is about a crucial organ which is pumping the blood throughout the body, known as heart. Firstly, let us look at the structure of the human heart. Human heart is a left atrium, and it is the same size as our wrist, and it has four chambers, namely right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. And then the droplet blood enters, and then it will go to lungs for oxygen. And from the largest artery, it will pass to our body.
Next.
Good morning, I am Anjali. I would like to know what is the most fundamental concept used in mathematics called Pythagoras theorem, named after the ancient mathematician Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem states that the right-angled triangle, the length of the square hypotenuse is equal to the other two sides of the triangle. Mathematically, it is expressed like a square and b square is equal to c square, where a and b are the base, b is the right angle, and c is the hypotenuse. If we then compare many of the real-life applications such as construction of buildings, navigation, and high computer, it is responsible for
I am going to explain pick any number. Pick any number below 20. 20 already another number explain. ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ 10 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ explain. So now the question is 12 divided by 2. So we should pick 12 stitches. 12 stitches. This one they don't have 12. One box selling 2 to Armandology. One box selling 2 to and the practical application of the one box selling to come. Six boxes fill ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು 6 ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ 6 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬಂದು 0 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು 6 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು
Good morning, sir. I'm Sanjay from Assessment. I'm going to explain about the structure of neuron. A neuron, also known as neuron, is a unit in our system which transmits electrical signals and exchanges between different parts of the neuron are in the body, axon, nerve ending, and neurons. Axon is the electrical signal in the body action of nature, and neurons is the electrical signal to the other neurons which are transmitted when we can see the electrical signals which are converted into chemical signals. And there are some types of other neurons. Neurons is nowadays Thank you. I am Resha Mohanty of class 10th and we are going to talk about the basic proportionality theorem, an important concept in geometry. The basic proportionality theorem, also known as this theorem, states that in a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle intersects the other two sides of the triangle and divides the two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. For example, if we take any of the possibilities over here, let us try with 13.7 centimeters. When we take 13.7 centimeters, the below ratio will be 10.8 and the opposite side ratio will be 12 centimeters and this side ratio will be 9.5. Now, when we divide these two ratios, we can see that we get the exact same value, that is 1.26 and 1.26. So, by this we can understand AL upon BL is equal to AM upon MC. Now, you might wonder what is the necessity of the basic proportionality theorem in the real world. Its applications are all around us. For instance, engineers and architects use this theorem to create the building design of buildings, building mats, bridges and even towers, ensuring their stability and accuracy. The surveyors use this theorem to create maps and measure large distances accurately. In today's world, the computer graphic designers use this theorem to make real-life simulations and animation, which is an integral part of the world. For us students, this theorem helps in writing mathematics competitive exams and enables us to solve the mathematics problems logically and efficiently. It's a tool used in many of the subjects like physics, chemistry, economics, and for professional growth and professional and personal growth. In conclusion, I would say it's not just a classroom topic, but instead it's a theorem that connects all the theoretical world and practical knowledge and helps us to see the world through the lenses of mathematics, as it amplifies and enables us to see the beauty and utility of mathematics in today's day-to-day life. Thank you. Have a nice day. आपको यहाँ पे डन करना पड़ेगा। बोलना मना इसका मतलब आप यहाँ पे अपनी बारी को बोल नहीं सकते। अगर आप नहीं बोला तो आप नहीं सकते।